Hello students, so today we are going to see how do we plot root 2 and root 3 on a number line. So let us take the first part, that is plotting root 2 on a number line. So I have taken a right angle triangle ABO where angle B is 90 degree. I have taken AB and BO as one unit. Okay, so if I want to find AO, so what I'll do, I have to use a Pythagoras theorem. So that is AO square equals to AB square plus BO square. So let me substitute the values of AB and BO, that is 1 and 1. So I will get AO square equals to 1 square plus 1 square, that is 1 plus 1, 2. So AO square is 2. So what I'll get, AO equals to root 2. So we got AO as root 2. Okay, now let us see how do we plot this root 2 on a number line. So what I have done, students, I have taken the same triangle what we took for the calculations. Okay, so first let us draw a horizontal line. Now with the help of a scale, I'm going to mark 1 inch. Now students, I can even mark 1 centimeter, but 1 centimeter is going to be too small for drawing the arcs and further calculations. So let us take 1 inch. So I will take the points as O and B, same as what we have done in the rough figure. Now with the help of a protractor, from point B, I'm going to draw 90 degree, that is perpendicular. Okay, now again I'm going to use a scale and mark 1 inch. Okay, and that point I'll mark it as A. Now when I join AO, what I'll get, AO as root 2, the same thing what you can see on the right hand side where we have done a rough figure. Okay, so the value of AO is root 2. So now what we have to do, we have to plot this root 2 on a number line. Okay, so how do we do that? Let's see. Now take a rounder in such a way that your rounder points is at O and the pencil point is at A. Okay, measuring that from A, you have to cut an arc on a number line. So what I'm doing is root 2 I'm taking on a number line, right? So let us take that as point C. So I will say that OC is nothing but root 2. Okay, now with this we are going to plot root 3 on a number line. Okay, so that is part 2. Let us see that. So that is plotting root 3 on a number line. So for that, what we are doing, again we are taking a right angle triangle, that is PCO. OC I am taking as root 2, PC I am taking as 1. And again, if I want to find out PO, what I have to do, I have to use Pythagoras theorem. What is that? PO square equals to PC square plus CO square. So next step, we have to just substitute the values. So what I'll get is PO square equals to 1 square plus root 2 square. And after I solve, I get 1 plus 2, that is 3. So PO is going to be root 3. So in the figure, I'm going to write down a PO as root 3. Okay, so now I'm going to take the same figure for plotting. Okay, so I've taken the figure on the right hand side, and what you see over here is the same thing what we did for plotting root 2 on a number line. So we are going to start with this particular figure. So what I have to do is, with the help of a protractor, from point C I have to draw perpendicular. Okay, yes. Now again with the help of a scale, I have to mark 1 inch and I'll name that point as P. You can see that on the figure on the right hand side. Okay, so when I join PO, so PO is nothing but root 3. Now the same thing, this root 3 we have to take on a number line. So what I'm doing, I'm taking a rounder such that the rounder point is at O and the pencil point is at P. So from P, when I cut an arc, what I get is that particular point is nothing but point D, and OD is nothing but root 3. So this is how, students, we plot root 2 and root 3 on a number line. Thank you.